Hello. A lot of people say lower your car. I say opposite. You need to raise it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fabtown. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what was once to be known as the Wastegate S13, and from here on out will be known as the Fabtown S13. Let that sink in. First, we have to do a quick compression test to figure out why this thing is running like hot piles of dog turd. And there's no reason for it other than the fact that I think there could have been a potential detonation on cylinder 5. That's the only one that I can kind of like weed out as not being super great. We're going to start from the front and go to the back. You ready? 150 ain't bad. Let's see what 5 is at. 150.
155. So far, so good. Yeah, but we're about to hit the one that's not so good.
The one in question is up next.
Whoa. 155. 160.
160. Woo! Woo! There's something else wrong.
Alarm.
Alarm.
One, 5.
That is good news. That means that there's some other issue and we don't have to take this out. Unless the valve seals are fucked, and then we're gonna have to take this out.
It gets to stay.
See how much oil's on there though? On the bottom of that?
Oh, where?
Where's it getting it from? It's not in the intercooler piping. It's not in the turbo.
Should we drain it and then start it?
I think it might have had a little too much oil in it.
There's a possibility that's true.
I only know that because I had the exact same issue. Idling better. We did kind of like mess with some stuff wiring wise. Like we pushed some connectors in to make sure they're fully in there. In my experience, they don't like a lot of extra oil. They'll just run like shit. It's not like a Z where you kind of overfill it a little bit so that, you know, it saves itself, or like an RB, but these things have really good head drains anyway, so overfilling them is not a good idea. Alright, so the coilover should be good now. The top bolt loosened up so the wheel was touching it. I think it just happened when we went up into the driveway because it's like not even really rubbed, so I think it just happened. So we're gonna go for a quick cruise, see if it's any better, see if it's the same. Not gonna make a decision now either way, so see how it goes. Yeah, it's definitely running ridge for some reason. Fueling is all over the place, so not sure what that's about.
I've not ridden in this car yet. I only rode outside of it, and it sounds awesome. It sounds 10 times better inside the car. Hi.
Our married friend decided to show up with his Supra. How is the Supra?
Slow.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Trying to get the wastegate undone so that I can pull a spring out of it, but I do not have the correct Allen keys here, so I'm gonna go ask my neighbor and get this thing all pulled off.
Shit.
You're not gonna work. I'm saying I fell in it. I was in the bush.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fucking fell in it. I was climbing through the bush. It was like fell right in the fucking thing. Well, this is, if anybody was curious how much spring it takes to make 21 pounds, that's about it. And I may have fucked up the hole and broke some things.
Oops.
Nothing I can't fix. But we're gonna look up how much spring it is for, like, I don't know. I think he was on 7 pounds, so we'll just maybe put like 10 pounds worth of spring in it and see how he likes it, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, you know what we can do is we can actually hook up that manual boost controller.
We have plenty of vacuum
And
up
just
our
do
truck.
that, yeah.
Yeah.
So we might just do that. But we gotta at least put some spring in it, so I'm gonna look it up and see how much maybe this, like, 2 big ones are, or these 2.
You guys
I'm gonna need your help.
You've never taken a wastegate off. This is how you put it back on.
It's called struggle.
Struggle bus.
Concentration. I can feel it in my soul.
How to properly get into a race car. That is not it. So perfect with the silhouette behind you and the sun going down. Brings out the color of your soul. Stayed at 11.7 the whole time. Got like exactly like 14 pounds on this gauge, which is probably 11, yeah, or 12. How's it feel? Yeah.
All right, so it's the next morning. As you can see, we took the car out and got it all squared away. All we ended up doing was draining about a quart of oil out of it. Quentin had said that the dipstick he bought for this car may not have been the right one, and after looking at it, it kind of looks like the wrong one. A JZ has like a gray T handle. This one is like a yellow loop. I'm not sure if they changed that on the VVTi models. Anyways, I've had that problem before where it's overfilled with oil, and it was over the top of the line on the dipstick, and it was at an incline, so it means that it was extra full of oil. And like I said, I've had issues like that in the past where they get overfilled with oil and they start to misfire and probably push some oil past the rings up into the cylinders, and hence why they were drenched in oil. So glad we got it all squared away. Now we're going to take this thing over to the shop eventually, probably tomorrow, do a couple data logs, make sure it is good to go, and then may have a special thing where we take it up to Bogus in Mexico and shred it for a little bit. I'm looking forward to that. Can't wait to see you guys next time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Next time I see you, I'll make sure you see me leave. Next time I'll make sure it hurts you more than me. Next time, the next time I won't be so nice. Oh, now you see me different.